they were nonetheless extremely important in the lives of ordinary Americans. And I wonder if there are if there were any blushing flowers out there in the desert from this past term that went unnoticed.
There always are. I mean, I think if you look at the cases we have out of 77, there are maybe a half dozen that people are going to be talking about at the panel discussions and things like that. But some of the others are, the littler ones can be very fascinating. I think my favorite from the past term was a case called Lozman, which involved the question of an admiralty jurisdiction over what counts as a vessel. And the law has a very broad definition of what a vessel is. And the way cases develop in the law, of course, you have something that seems to fit not comfortably into either category. It was, depending on which side you're on, it was either a floating home or a houseboat. And it was a residence that was attached to the shore more or less permanently, but which could be disengaged and would float and could be towed around. And again, the issue is whether it counted as a vessel or not. It was one of those cases where a picture's worth 1,000 words. If you look at the picture of the thing on the water, it very much looks like a house that got swept into the ocean somehow, rather than a boat that's underway. And the court did hold that it was not a vessel. But we had a lot of fun with it, looking at the different characteristics and posing a lot of interesting hypotheticals at the argument.